want to create an exceptional experience while delivering your online coaching sessions, but you need to know how to structure them so your coachees love you? Well, if this is your situation, look no further. We are here to decode the exact step-by-step process to structure your online coaching session and apply your learnings. And wait, you can't miss this. We are even throwing a free template specially designed for you, coach. Welcome to our universe. We are Autovate that equips coaches like you with tools and technologies to help you start, grow, and scale your online coaching business. Hello everyone, I am Simar, Head of Marketing Department at Autovate and your fellow coach. And this is why we say we are built and backed by coaches for coaches. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to structure your online coaching sessions. Let's begin. I am not introducing you to a jargon-filled 10-step framework because in actuality, it's a 3-step formula. And yes, you heard it right, that's correct. Trust me. I'll also plug in Autovate's tremendous features that will help you level up your online coaching sessions. Part 1. Easing in. Time duration. This part must last for 5 minutes at its maximum. Welcome the client warmly and express genuine excitement to connect. A positive and personalized greetings sets the tone for a productive session. For example, hello first name, I'm genuinely excited to have you here and discuss the coaching agenda. How have you been? Collaboratively view the agenda with the client. Discuss the topics planned for the session and any resources or materials that Autovate has automatically sent beforehand. For example, you might have received a session summary from our past coaching session. Did you get a chance to review it? If yes, fantastic. If not, let's go over them now. Access the client's current situation. Ask open-ended questions to track client's progress, some pressing issues, and ensure that the session focuses on client's immediate needs. Part 2. Core coaching session. Time duration. This session must last for 35 to 40 minutes. Explore the predetermined coaching goals. Tailor the session to address specific goals and challenges identified during the previous consultation or coaching session. Reinforce important takeaways from previous sessions. Utilize Autovate's session notes summary to jog client's memory and to ensure that you both are on the same page before you move forward. Explore agenda topics interactively. This isn't a one-sided lecture. I mean, it should not be, right? Move beyond it by incorporating mix of discussions and activities curated by Autovate. This could involve polls and brainstorming activities to keep the client engaged. Measure progress seamlessly. Don't just talk about progress, track it. Use tools like short service and goal tracking worksheets provided within Autovate's Ultimate Coaching Catalyst Pack, designed to enhance the client experience. More about it in a minute. Assign clear and actionable homework. Provide specific takeaways for the client to complete before the next session. Autovate automates sending personalized assignments with clear deadlines to ensure accountability. What is Ultimate Coaching Catalyst Pack? You want to know about it? Let me tell you. It is a pack handcrafted by Autovate which contains 190 plus free done-for-you Canva templates that can be plugged in your coaching business. These packs include 8 mind-blowing free Canva templates. On the screen, you see a glimpse of free templates from inside. Action item for you. Click on the first and the most prominent link in the description box to grab your Ultimate Coaching Catalyst pack. These templates contain strategically placed pre-written text and exceptional designs that you can customize to your branding. You are still here. What are you waiting for? Go fast and grab your free template while I wait for you here. Part 3. Wrap up and planning ahead. Time duration. This session must last for 10 minutes. Craft a client progress report together. Discuss it collaboratively. Don't just tell the client how they are doing. Ensure you hype their achievements and acknowledge the areas where additional support might be needed. Review the action plan. Ensure that the client understands the assigned homework. Autovate's task management feature will help you visualize upcoming deadlines and priorities. Open the flow for questions. Before concluding the session, address any queries or questions that the client may have. Schedule the next session effortlessly. Autowait's integrated scheduling tool allows you to confirm the date and time of the next coaching session with just few clicks, saving you and your clients time. This video will only make sense if we reveal our secret techniques to brighten your coaching sessions. These are: incorporate storytelling and case studies. Share relevant stories to inspire clients and explain the power of coaching. Encourage active participation from the client. Move beyond a traditional lecture format. Like, who want a boring lecture? At least not me. Use open-ended questions and polls generated by Autowait to keep the clients engaged. Inject humor and enthusiasm. Maintain a positive and encouraging tone throughout the session to make it light-hearted and easy to absorb. Concluding action item for you. While we build the best-in-industry coaching platform for you, launching on 1st July 2024, why don't you sign up using the link in the description so you get notified first when we launch? Trust me, we'll be here sooner than you realize. Now, at this point of video, you have learned about the step-by-step process of how to structure your online coaching session, that too like a breeze. While you wait for next week's video, we post every Monday at 11 AM IST about online coaching, business building, client experience, systems, monetization, technology, and life. If you do find value in this video, make sure you like it, subscribe it, and share with a coach who might find value in this. I'll see you next week. With gratitude and love, Simmer from Team Autowait.